this comes to the floating islands, my creative concept for what to do with these boulder opals. So here's the unset ones, and this is what I did with them. And because they're quite big and they're so colourful, I just wanted to have them very simple and very wearable. The trick is finding a goldsmith that can do it, because to set anything like this is like setting a pane of glass, and it has to fit perfectly. And if you see, the back of this is really thick solid gold with the boulder, and the front is delicate with the diamonds. So my goldsmith has to use a microscope and laser rather than heat. So he uses a microscope, so they're micro set, laser set diamonds. And I've said it's inspired by a bird's eye view of Australia's lizard and heron islands, and reflects the ocean hues of the Great Barrier Reef, which is this. So this is aerial views of Great Barrier Reef. And to me, it's just like these big floating islands. That's why I call it floating islands. So here's, these earrings are on the, should be coming round in the box. They're by you, Rex.
They're on a stand.
And, so that's a Paraiba tourmaline in there, because I just felt it really picked up. That's another Paraiba tourmaline, which is this intense turquoise. And have you seen yours? No? Actually, no, I haven't got a picture of you. I need to take a picture of yours. There's your bangle, Julie. There's your bangle. So we have another show and tell who's there. The lovely Julie is modelling that one. And there's no two the same. So whichever opal you have in your life, that's your opal. No one else can have one exactly the same. And these are part of my mixology collection. So you can wear those as a stud, you can wear those with the drops, or you can have a hoop and wear those with a hoop. So they're sort of mix and match. And in fact, if you really wanted to, you can turn them around. They're just plain. Yes?
Are you planning a collection of red opals?
A collection of red.
The red opals.
I'll show you some red opals. With the, it's called my Bushfire collection. But actually, I had some amazing Bushfire opals, and I just knew who they would suit. So they were immediately, yeah. So here is my floating island watch, and there is a watch for everybody. Well, one watch per table, for those who haven't got a watch already. And so what I did was, this is basically an image. People keep saying to me, oh, is that real opal? I'm like, no, not for £90. But that's what, so that's this. And there's one box on every table. And it was meant to be on your plate. We'll work it out. This is the Bushfire collection. And this is amazing because it's a very big piece. It's bigger than this piece. And it's just outstanding because it has this hot pink and red and basically every single colour. And at the same time, I designed those earrings to go with this. And those earrings were featured quite a lot, actually, in the press because they just were different.
Right? Like a painting.
Yeah, that's the whole thing of the shan shui and the painting. And again, you can wear those as studs. You can wear for the evening the drops, or you can just have a hoop and wear them. And this one I put with a hot pink tourmaline. So that really was pretty much all I've had for this hot pink Bushfire. This is just to show you that you actually can wear opals with South Sea pearls. These are the Philippines gorgeous golden South Sea pearls, which are the rarest because there's always typhoons in the Philippines, and they just get ruined. So it takes so long to make them. Anyway, and the other black and silver are the Tahitian South Sea pearls, and that's a diamond bangle. So that just shows you how you can mix and match opals. Okay, this is, and I still have this in the shop, somehow. So that's a really old Sri Lankan sapphire from the same parcel as yours.
What ring, love?
Yeah.
Show
So,
and
show and tell. So that,
That's a long time.
I've had it a long time. Yeah. Yeah. Had it a long time. So that's a beautiful denim blue, gorgeous Sri Lanka sapphire. And then these are
they look like jelly, don't they?
jelly.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I would say it's a bit like streaky bacon. You know, you get layers of fat in the bacon, and say the bacon is the sandstone, and the opal is in layers. So it's jelly opal, and it's really difficult to get it out of the rock. You can see a little bit of like crazy paving here. So actually, that's my fault because the lights in the shop slightly dried it. But we keep water in the mirrors, in the glasses. This again has gone to a lovely collector, and this is
Good Lord, what are they?
amazing.
Opal jelly.
Yeah,
God.
it is an amazing piece, and this was carved by an old carver, and I did diamond connectors to connect each. I just knew what I was going to do with it, and I did diamond connectors, and then a clasp. So you can wear this with the clasp at the front or the clasp at the back, and then it has a separate freestanding pendant that you can either wear on the necklace or wear completely separately on a long chain. And this is the sort of thing, there's only one, and this you can't find in Australia. I found these from a really old Chinese collector, and they are their treasures, and yeah, something very, very special. And to have all of these from Lightning Ridge with that intense colour of blue and black, and anyway, that was just a beautiful, beautiful piece.